Words to the wise, understanding this English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, words to the wise. This idiom is a gem in English language and holds a special place in both formal and informal conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of words to the wise together. The phrase, words to the wise, is an idiom that implies that the information being given is intended for the well-informed or intelligent listener. It's like saying, if you're smart, you'll understand the importance of what I'm about to say. This phrase is often used to offer advice or information that is considered valuable and insightful. It's fascinating to explore where this phrase came from. The idiom, words to the wise, is believed to have its roots in ancient times. It was originally, a word to the wise is sufficient, implying that a brief hint or a small amount of information is enough for an intelligent person to understand the message or warning. Let's see how this phrase is used in real-life scenarios. 1. In a work environment. Just a words to the wise, double-check your report for errors before submitting it to the boss. 2. Among friends. Words to the wise, you might want to avoid the highway today due to heavy traffic. These examples show how the phrase can be used to offer friendly advice or a heads-up in various contexts. When you use this phrase, remember, 1. Context is key. Make sure it's an appropriate situation for offering advice. 2. Tone matters. This phrase should be used in a friendly and helpful manner, not condescendingly. 3. Keep it brief. True to its origin, the advice following this phrase should be concise and to the point. And that's a wrap on Words to the Wise. We hope this video has been insightful and adds a new phrase to your English language toolkit. Remember, idioms like this can add flavor and depth to your conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language tips. Keep learning and see you in the next video.